Alright, what's up, guys? It's NQ Chris here, back with another daily recap. Today's day 12, I think. Other words, February 25th. Let's get real quick into this. To be honest, I entered the day really late just because I had stuff going on at work that wouldn't let me that wouldn't let me, look at the charts. But sorry, today the stuff is on this screen and not this screen. Weird. Um, it looked like today was bullish, you know, because respecting, which is disrespecting, previous fair value gaps, inverse this one, 30-minute, we didn't really get, we inverse this one, but not at full strength. So let's just get into the day. So, today was practically bullish. Um, Immediately pumps up. Didn't get any draws. I had unmitigated 15s, intermediate 30s, intermediate 30, and no, unfilled 15 and intermediate 30. Session lows, unfilled 4 hours. This was a unfilled 4 hour and a consequent encroachment, middle 30 pretty much. Entered. At this point now, I'm kind of looking for reversal because I don't think it'll pump up, and the only other draws on liquidity is this previous high from, I think, what 2 weeks ago, last week, and I don't think it'll reach that after pumping 200 points. So I'm looking for a reversal. 5-minute fair value gap right here. That's what I'm looking for. And at this point, it just doesn't want to inverse. It doesn't want to inverse. It's taken 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, 5 if you count this bullish one, and just, to me, that's not like that strong. Just because that is 20 minutes there, like that's not what I would have wanted. And on that bearish trend, we formed a 5-minute. And so at this point, now I'm looking for a continuation long because it respected this 5, is respecting this 15 at that on. And honestly, guys, that 15 I didn't see up until after the trade. So boom, we get a really good V-shaped recovery off, like, out of this 5 and this 15. Fully inversed the 5. I entered. I had, because of yesterday, I had only $700 of risk. So I just went ahead and risked the rest of it. Entered 700. Immediately, not even 10 minutes, stopped. $700 gone. The funded is gone. I'll get into that right now. And after that, nothing really happened. I got stopped out, and then eventually I hit my TP. It happens. It's whatever. What can I say? That's the trade for today. To be honest, guys, to be honest with myself, I'm going to put a picture of it. This is my funded. I blew it. This is what the calendar looks like. And in all seriousness, I'm very, very frustrated. I'm pissed off. 3 days of big wins. $500 away from funded. The closest I've ever been, like I said. Just to lose Friday, win Monday, lose yesterday, lose today. And just like that, $2,500 is gone. I'm upset. I'm frustrated. I'm, like, in all seriousness, disappointed, and And to be really honest with you guys, it frustrates me because, there's people winning out there, and, you know, all is fair because the people that are winning, got there for a reason. They back tested, they journaled, they follow their rules. They've been doing this for a while. They have market experience, whatever. I'm fine. I'm finally confident with myself. I'm finally winning, and or no, I'm finally feel in winning spirit. And this, like, to be honest with you guys, this shit happens to me, and I'm tired of losing. Like, seriously, I'm doing everything I could possibly need to be doing: journaling, back testing, forward testing, getting in the market every single day, getting market experience. Like, there was those days where I didn't follow my rules, but other than that, I did, and I ended up still blowing my fucking account. I'm tired of it. Like, I'm tired of losing. I'm happy for these people that are winning, but when is it gonna be my turn? Like, when? I need to be. I'm doing what I need to be doing. Yet I'm getting nothing out of it, and it's frustrating me. And in all honesty, if I hadn't invested what I've already invested, I probably would have quit. But I've already invested what I invested, and it's too late to go back. I'm too far gone. I might as well keep doing it. But I'm just frustrated, guys. To be completely honest with y'all, like, I'm seriously frustrated, and I don't know. I know this will, all be worth it in the end. I know sooner or later, I'm gonna have my turn. But I'm tired, man. I'm doing everything I need to do, and it's not paying off. But I know my future self will come back to look at this and be like, you know what? Like, I'm glad you stuck through it, because we wouldn't be where we are in the future if I didn't keep pushing through this. But I'm just being honest. Being honest for my future self. If there's anyone watching this, I'm just being honest with y'all, because this trading stuff isn't easy. It's a mental load. It's it's mentally draining. It mentally, physically, and emotionally draining. But I really see myself getting this to work, and I want everyone to see the dark side of this, and to be able to see that, the dark sides, the bad times pass. You just gotta stick through it and keep on pushing. But I appreciate y'all watching this recap. I'll catch y'all in day 13, I think it is. So catch y'all.